Welcome! This video provides an overview of the enhanced TEQSA External Experts portal released in April 2014. The video shows how to open and respond to work assignments, check for personal details, and access useful resources and links. Please note that any login details for the previous version of the Expert portal are no longer valid. TEQSA will email login details to this portal as and when experts are assigned new work assignments. Before starting to use the Experts portal, please read the tip sheet and the frequently asked questions available at teqsa.gov.au/experts. In particular, please note the browser requirements as certain functions will not work with certain browsers. When you log in, you are presented with the main page of the Experts portal. Please note your name appears in the upper right-hand side of the screen. The home page itself displays work assignments, showing the subject, the due date, and the status. There are a range of status options in the middle of the screen here, where you can actually search for work assignments with different statuses. For example, you can select all to see all work assignments, and you'll note that in this example, I have got one work assignment with a status of submitted and another with a status of awaiting submission. I can use the ... symbol to select an additional status option, awaiting submission, all submitted, and now completed. From the home page, the default is that I will see work assignments with a status of awaiting submission or pending resubmission. Either of these statuses mean that the work assignment is available for the expert to work on. Other components of the portal are the Agreements page. The Agreements page lists relevant deeds of standing offer. Note that these are mostly being communicated via email at present, so you may not see any deeds of standing offer in this screen when you log in. The My Profile page lists key details in view mode. Please email experts@teqsa.gov.au to request changes to the details shown on this screen. The Help option contains links to a range of useful documents, and it also contains some additional resources. Contact Us takes you to the main contact details page for TEQSA, which also contains a link to the Experts Register page. Before we start working on a work assignment, please note there are some important visual symbols you should be aware of. One is the green triangle. This indicates expand collapse. So for example, next to your name, you can expand to access the sign out option or the change password option. We do encourage you to sign out at the end of every session. The other symbol to look for is the ... symbol that we've used earlier. The ... symbol or the Microsoft ellipsis symbol indicates that additional actions are possible. For example, I can access an additional status filter on this status row. I can also use the ... symbol to open a work assignment in order to work on a work assignment. To do that, I select my work assignment, I click on the ... and I have a command presented, Respond to Work Assignment. Once you select the work assignment, you are then presented with the Detailed Work Assignment screen. The work assignment itself consists of three main sections. The key summary information is at the top of the screen, consisting of the work assignment ID, the due date, the status, a subject, and a description. The next section is titled TEQSA Provided Documents. This will contain the work offer, the assignment brief, and evidence from the provider. You can either click on the documents to open them, or you can use the ... symbol to open them. The third section, titled Expert Uploaded Document, is where you add your completed report and invoice by using either the Plus New Item option or by dragging and dropping your document in. So for example, I will drag in a completed report. Please refer to the frequently asked questions for points to consider regarding the addition of documents, for example, file type, file size, naming convention, etc. Note that if you have added a document and you decide you want to actually remove it, you can do that by simply using the ... functions to access the delete option and remove that document. That is how you can actually add or delete your invoices and completed reports. I'll just drag that document back in. When you have added your completed report to the work assignment, you'll need to select the Submit option from the top portion of the screen. This will change the status of the work assignment to Submitted and alert the case manager to the fact that the completed report is now available for review. Please note that submitted work assignments cannot be edited by the expert, so no additional documents can be added. If you do decide that there are extra changes needed, please contact your case manager. When the case manager has reviewed and accepted the completed report, the work assignment will be made available again for the upload of the invoice. And the invoice can be added as described previously by either dragging and dropping or by using the plus new item option. And again, the delete function is available if that is required. Once you have added the invoice in, you would then use the submit function again to submit the invoice. Some other points for you to be aware of are the fact that there's a 30-minute inactivity timeout period. You will have the option to log in again through a login link on the timeout page. And as mentioned, there is a change password and a sign out option in the upper right-hand side of the screen. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions about using the Experts portal that we haven't addressed in this video or in the other documents available in the resources section of the portal, then please email experts@teqsa.gov.au or contact your case manager. As we receive queries, we may use them to update the frequently asked questions, so please remember to always check the frequently asked questions. Thank you.